Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I'm going to show you how to make traditional rose water. Now, for those of you who don't know me, you probably don't know that I am all about natural. I like to cook from scratch, I like to make my own cleaning products, my own perfumes. I like to live as naturally as possible to reduce my carbon footprint as much as I can, because we only have one earth and it's up to each of us to do as much as we can to help save that earth. And so if you're like me and you want to reduce your carbon footprint, you pop on over to my website where I make natural skincare. It's very sustainable because it's made to order as opposed to mass production. Anyway, let us continue with this recipe. This is how it goes. You need a wide mouth jar because you're going to be sticking rose petals in there. If you have a small lid, you won't be able to get them in or get them out. So these are rose petals that I've dried, left over from Valentine's. Hubby bought me some roses and I dried them out. Okay, so we start with 2 cups of rose petals. It's always fun making a mess. Alright, there we go, approximately 2 cups. I'll clean that mess up later. Okay, to that we add half a cup of water, and a half a cup of vodka. And the reason we use vodka is because it's an unscented alcohol. It will help draw out the scent from the rose petals and also preserve our perfume. If we just used water, it wouldn't quite have the same effect. Okay, now we leave this to sit. It's interesting because the water only comes up to there and the rose petals are there, but we leave that to sit for 3 weeks, and then after 3 weeks we can then sift out these petals and then keep that liquid, add more petals, and then re-add that liquid, and that will make the end product quite strong. So you'd leave this for 3 weeks, have a sniff, see if you like the scent, if it's strong enough or not, and then keep repeating that process until you have the desired effect. You can also use lavender flowers and other things like this. But also, while we're here, I want to talk to you about essential oils you could also add. Now, the essential oils that go with rose are citrus essential oils, cedarwood, sandalwood, florals such as chamomile, lavender, frankincense, and vanilla. So depending on what type of end result you wanted, say masculine or feminine, a little bit of both, then you could add, say, some sandalwood and vanilla. So you can have a play around with that and see how you go, or just do essential oil free, either way. So that's my little bit of a tip for today. So anyway, we put the lid back on that. We leave it in a nice sort of sunny windowsill for 3 weeks, and then we'll come back to it and we'll have a look and see how that goes. And that's my video. Thank you very much for watching, and of course if you have any questions, please drop me a line. I'm always happy to help. And as I said before, if you're interested in natural skincare, pop on over to the website. I can custom make products, add rose scent to it if you like, or vanilla, it's up to you. Anyway, thanks very much for watching and enjoy your day.